Shifting trade routes, vanishing cities, and rising tensions. Europe's landscape is changing fast. Imagine a major economic lifeline suddenly facing unexpected blockages, both from natural forces and human decisions. That's exactly what's happening as China explores an ambitious alternative trade route to Europe via the melting Arctic, all while Poland's border closure throws a wrench into the €25 billion per year rail connection between China and the European Union. This move, originally meant as a temporary measure during Russia's latest military exercises, now threatens to become a prolonged shutdown, a major chokehold on the booming flow of goods that powers countless businesses on both continents. But here's where it gets controversial. Should Europe look for new trade routes? Or should it double down on its existing connections despite growing geopolitical risks? Some argue that diversifying routes, including those opening up in the warming Arctic, could help avoid over-reliance on any single corridor. Could this shift reshape the future of global trade, or will it simply add new risks to an already complex picture? Meanwhile, another crisis is quietly hollowing out the soul of Italy's historic cities. In places like Naples, soaring tourist numbers have started to overwhelm local residents. Housing is becoming increasingly out of reach for locals. Church attendance is dropping as communities erode, and pollution is on the rise. Is this the price we must pay for the economic benefits of tourism, or have cities crossed a dangerous line? And this is the part most people miss. If local character disappears, will cities like Naples lose the very charm that draws visitors in the first place? Elsewhere, the old Iron Rhine Railway, once a strategic artery from Belgium's Antwerp port to Germany's Ruhr industrial region, may be staging a dramatic comeback. Originally constructed in the 19th century and left largely idle after World War II, the Iron Rhine's revival signals Europe's increased focus on military mobility and resilience, especially as Russia becomes a growing source of tension. Will resurrecting these historical railways make Europe safer, or are we setting the stage for new disputes over old lines? And then there's a gripping tale straight out of a spy novel. Finland has charged the crew of a suspected Russian Shadow Fleet vessel with sabotage of vital undersea infrastructure on Christmas Day. Prosecutors are sharpening their case against the ship's captain, highlighting the risks to Europe's backbone of data and energy connections lying on the ocean floor. Should nations take more aggressive action to safeguard these unseen but crucial networks? These stories raise tough and sometimes uncomfortable questions. Should Europe open up to bold new trade routes or protect what it has at all costs? Are historic cities better off with tourist dollars if it means losing their cultural spirit? Is reviving old infrastructure the answer to new security threats? And how far should countries go to defend their hidden lifelines against sabotage? What do you think? Are these the right moves, or do they open up new dangers? Let us know your thoughts. Do you agree, or is there another side to the story?